Hi everyone, Dr. Nemechek here. I want to talk about this dreaded label called intellectual disability, or in the old days, retarded. And in the majority of the cases, the parents are told, the doctors believe that this is a immovable condition, that if your IQ is 80, it's always going to be 80, that nothing will change that. And I don't know why that is. Why do they take that position when all sorts of other things can improve? All sorts of other developmental delay or impairments, neurological impairments can improve. So why is this one sidelined? And I just have to tell you from my personal experience, in your average developmental delay, maybe autism or not, intellectual disability, it's not fixed. These kids can recover from their intellectual disability. And I had another case I wanted to share with you. This is a 12-year-old boy. First saw him in January, and they had tried some inulin, and he was highly intolerant to it prior. So we just started him on protocol, fish oil, olive oil, and continuous rifaximin, and the parents had already purchased a Vitality Smart Cable VNS, so we continued that. So in January, reading level is measured at kindergarten level. I saw this young man 2 weeks ago. So it's been 4 months on continuous, and he is now at a 4th grade reading level. So you heard that right. Kindergarten reading level in January, 4th grade reading level in May. Okay? There's no way this kid's IQ is still 80 if you go retest him. And in terms of other things, catching on, mom said finally catching on in math, even though she didn't quite have the same, like what grade level might he be at. But it's staggering change. And it's not a rare thing here. We've had a lot of kids, IQ 70, 80. They'll never function. Be prepared for the rest of your life. Take care for them. And then after, it could be a year, 2 years, whatever, they finally get retested. They're 100, 110 IQ. Okay? So don't let that hold you back. Don't let that get you down. It's just a intellectual delay, just like developmental delay, in my opinion. I mean, same thing, motor delay, sensory delay, all these things are recoverable. Okay? Hang in there, obsess about inflammation, protect your child from other treatments and supplements and doctors wanting to do some harebrained kind of stuff, and just let them repair themselves. They got plenty of power to fix the problem. Everybody, have a great day. Bye.